Hi everyone. If you are starting new drawing in AutoCAD 2025 by clicking new, you are probably making a mistake because one wrong setting at the beginning can destroy your scale, your dimension and your plotting in your AutoCAD drawing. Today I will show you the professional way to start a new drawing in AutoCAD 2025 and the exact step used by civil engineers, architects or mechanical engineers in the industry. Before we start, understand this, in professional projects, 80% of drawing errors happen because of wrong selection of wrong templates, wrong units, no layer structure. If you fix this at the beginning, your workflow became 10x faster. Let's start step by step. Once you launch AutoCAD, you will see the Start tab, and here we have two main options. One is Open and other one is New. Open is used for open the existing drawings, but we will use here New because we are using new drawing. Click on New and select here Browse Templates. After that, in the Browse Templates, you may find so many as-built AutoCAD templates. Which one we have to use? If you are using a units inches, then we have to select AutoCAD. And if you want to use units in millimeter, then we have to click on AutoCAD. Or if you are working in USA, you can use AutoCAD because they are using inches. And if you are working in UK, Europe, Asia, then you can use AutoCAD ISO. Then click on OK. Now your drawing is created. First off the grids. Now grids are off. After this, we have to set the units. Type here units. And here under the units, we have to select decimal because we are using mm. Select here decimals. And here insertion scales, we have to select millimeters. Click OK. For US projects, click on units, and here we have to select architectural and click here on inches and click OK. After this ensures block insert at correct size, dimension are accurate, XRF scale work correctly, and this step alone separates beginners from the professionals. After that, Control S, save the drawing, give the new name. So if any AutoCAD crash happen, so your drawing will be saved. So next step is if you want to work in 3D, because right now we are in AutoCAD 2D here, and then click on this gear icon, and here you can select 3D modeling, and now we are in AutoCAD 3D workflow. You will see here this 3D ribbons or palettes here. So in this way we can open a drawing in 2D and 3D in AutoCAD.